So what we are going to cover now is MRP area changes. Before we cover MRP area changes, just to explain you what is the MRP area. I will quickly explain. I think we have also done in our basic session also what is MRP area, but I will quickly explain at the high level what is the MRP area. So basically the MRP area would be, we do the planning runs, right? We do the planning. Okay, before we jumping into the MRP area, might be some people might not be very clear what is MRP. Okay, MRP is material requirement planning, which makes sure we have a right material available in right quantity at right place and right time. Okay, if you want to go ahead with the detail of the MRP planning, how the MRP planning happen, we have covered in our basic session multiple scenarios with the MRP, with the PD, VB, by putting MD61 requirements, how the planning would be happening. That part we have covered. So that is a material requirement planning engine, which makes sure we have a right materials available. It checks your demands, it checks your supplies, and based on the demand and supplies, it gives you that what is the right material quantities need to be available. Okay, so that is the MRP thing it does. Now you know that the MRP runs at the plant level. All the running of the MRP would be happening at the plant level, right? So if you want to do the MRP run beyond the plant, then this thing is used as MRP area. So what we do, so let's say this is your plant, right? And then in this plant, you have a two separate, it's a single plant, but you have two separate lines, which is manufacturing different products. Okay, this can be a juice line, and this can be your spread, bread spread line. Two different manufacturing lines are there, which is producing two different products. And in the huge and the big plants, what can happen, that there can be also, to enter the for the different lines, there can be different entry and exit gate, and there also can be a different warehouse which is storing the materials. Okay, so there can be once, let's say we take example of sugar. So sugar is stored here in this storage area, and sugar is also stored here in the storage area. Okay, so let's say now in this example, for this line you are having a requirement of 1000, and your stock is of sugar is 2000. Okay, but for this line your requirement of sugar is 500 and your stock is 0. So altogether what system will do, if you will run MRP, it will say my requirement is 1000 here, my requirement is 500 here, so total requirement is 1500 and total stock is 2000. So total requirement is, so answers on the chat window, whether system MRP run will generate any purchase requisition for this case where my total requirement is 1500 and my total stock on hand for that plant is 2000. Whether any purchase requisitions would be generated, whether any procurement proposal would be generated, answers on the chat window. Depends on reorder point. Okay, answer is no, no, no. Okay, now Mridula said that depending on the reorder point. So now reorder point, you will define it where you are also stocking it here, you are also putting a stock here, and you are also putting a stock here. Both places you are putting a stock. So where do you define the reorder point? Do you need to define the reorder point here, or you need to define reorder point here? Okay, so in the plant level MRP, you will be having one single reorder point. Let's say you defined your reorder point is 400. In this case, weather system will generate any purchase requisition. I have now defined my reorder point 400. whether system will generate any purchase requisition. No, it will not generate. That's right. It will not generate. So what actually I need it, I need a separate reorder point for here, and I need a separate reorder point for here if I want to do a reorder based planning. Or if I say that I would be not be doing a reorder based planning, I am doing a normal planning. For normal planning also, you need a separate. If you don't have a separate in this case, what system is assuming that you would be transferring. So here we have a shortfall. You would be transferring your stocks